Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 40 Neo, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So, to get started, we're going to pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen. And I'm going to swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles and find the Do Not Disturb mode. For me, it is on the first page right over here. So once you see this toggle, you can hold it at least the first time around, and this will quickly take you to the settings. In here, you can customize the mode to fit your exact needs. Now I'm going to touch upon only the more important options. So starting off, we have people, which allows you to select who can call you or message you. Then we have a schedule. Here you can select a fully automatic schedule, so the mode will be turned on and off by the device based on the provided day of the week and start and end time. And then below that we have duration for quick settings. Now this is a good option for people that will be using this manually and not on a schedule, and also tend to forget to turn it off. So personally I would be selecting the timer right here and setting it to something like 4 hours as an example. Anyway, from here, once you select the timer and we enable it by just tapping on a toggle, for me, at least at the way that it is set right now, it will enable itself for 4 hours. As you can see right now, it shows me that it's going to be running till 4:14 p.m. So there we go. And obviously, I don't need to wait for the timer to run through. I can just turn it off before that time by tapping on a toggle once again. Now, going to the schedule in here, if you're planning to use it, just make sure you turn it on schedule in here, and that's all you would do. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.